You've probably met someone like this before. Not the most attractive person in the room, not the funniest, not the one with the best stories, but something about them stuck with you for days, maybe longer, and you couldn't really explain why. This video is about what they were doing and what you were not. Most people spend their lives trying to be impressive. They talk about what they've done, what they own, where they've been. Meanwhile, the person across from them, their brain is quietly drifting. Why? Because the human brain is built around one thing. It centers on itself. There's research on this. When someone feels genuinely understood, not just heard, actually seen, their brain releases dopamine, the same chemical you get from a compliment, the same chemical you get from a reward. So when you make someone feel truly seen, their brain starts associating that feeling with you. That is not manipulation. That is how we are wired. So what does this look like in real life? It is not flattery. Flattery's cheap and people smell it from a mile away. It is something quieter, and honestly, it is harder. It is asking a question and then actually caring about the answer. Not waiting for your turn to speak, not half listening while you plan what to say next, actually listening. And then, this is the part most people skip, reflecting something specific back. For example, you mentioned your dad used to do that too. Is that why this matters so much to you? That one sentence. That's it. In that moment, you are not just another person they met. You become someone who gets them. Their brain goes back to that feeling again and again, like a song stuck in their head. Now here's where most people mess this up. They hear this and think, cool trick, let me try it. Problem is, you cannot fake presence. People can tell when you are genuinely interested and when you are performing interest. The real work is internal. You have to get genuinely curious about people, not as a tactic, but as a habit you build. Start small. In your next conversation, give yourself one job. Find out one thing about the other person that genuinely surprises you. That's it. Not to impress them, just to discover something real. Do that consistently and something starts to shift. Not just how others see you, but how you show up. When you stop trying to be the most interesting person in the room and start being the most interested, everything changes. People feel it. They just can't name it. That is the pull. The most magnetic people you know are not special because of what they have. They're special because of how you feel about yourself when you're around them. And the thing is, that's a skill, a real, learnable, practicable skill. Start with one conversation today, one question, one moment of real attention. Your future self and the people around you will feel the difference. If this shifted something for you, subscribe. Every week I break down the psychology behind the stuff nobody teaches, but everyone needs to hear.